Introducing the Milescraft Drill 90 Plus. This right-angle drill attachment is perfect for drilling into those hard-to-reach wall studs, floor and ceiling joists, or a host of other applications. Made of reinforced ABS, the unit offers a 4 1/4 inch dual position handle for optimal comfort and support, as well as a 3/8 keyless chuck that is compatible with most drilling accessories. The Drill 90 Plus is driven by a 3/8 hex shaft and not recommended for impact drivers. When you find the need to drill in a tight or hard to reach area, the Drill 90 Plus has a minimum reach of only 4 inches. When used in conjunction with the Milescraft stubby bits, the unit can fit almost anywhere. Ideal for plumbers, electricians, HVAC installers, and homeowners needing to navigate tight spaces, the Drill 90 Plus will meet your drilling needs.
Glider is a simple, perfect solution to clean the outside of windows when there's no easy access to them. The glider is equipped with a powerful magnet and comes in 3 models designed for window thickness from 4 to 28 millimeters. The uniqueness of the glider lies in its ability to spread the cleaning liquid from the part of the window that's nearest to you across the entire window. The glider washes the dirt off both sides of the window at the same time. The glider has 4 wipers layered in a perfect way to pull the liquid across the glass, leaving it clean, dry, and shining. The microfiber cloth can then be used to wipe off any remaining streaks on the window after the glider's operation.
Two-step knife sharpener. Smith's two-step knife sharpener features 2 tungsten carbide blades with preset angles to ensure the perfect edge every time. 3 or 4 strokes through the carbide sharpening slots will restore the edge on a very dull knife. The 2 cross-ceramic rods also have preset angles and provide a smooth finished edge to already sharp knives. The two-step is lightweight and compact, comes with a lanyard hole, and has non-slip rubber feet for added safety. Excellent for use on all types of knives, especially fillet knives.
When you're traveling, it sometimes feels like you have 2 options. Don't unpack and rifle through your luggage, or unpack, hanging everything up to have to pack again at the end of the vacation. You never had to unpack again. Turtle Packing Pods, where packing and unpacking becomes as simple as roll it, pack it, and hang it. They make airports a breeze, suitcase is a dawdle, and on the go, a piece of cake. Did you know that rolling your clothes not only saves space, but reduces creasing? Which helps you look like you didn't just step off a plane, even if you did. The unique shape of the turtle packing pods makes them ideal for rolled clothing, meaning you can get more in. They allow all that you've packed to fit in neatly, and you'll be able to easily see everything that's in it, so you can grab it and go. Now, let's talk about packing. Packing pods are designed to fit in all types of luggage, including carry-on cases and large suitcases, as well as hold-alls and backpacks. So you'll have no more dead space in your luggage. For real. Here you can see how easily the pods fit into all shapes of luggage. The 3 sizes the packing pods come in make them perfect for a variety of uses and great for separating out your stuff. You can use them for shoes, tech, toiletries, or your gym gear. Even with their unique shape, you can still compress them down even further to make the most out of your luggage space.
You can't fight gravity, but you can fight the harmful germs and bacteria that cause odor and infection using just UVC light. Munchkin's mini sterilizer kills over 99% of bacteria like E. coli and the flu virus from the surfaces of pacifiers, bottle nipples, and other small items in 59 seconds. 4 gold-plated LED beads emit powerful UVC light that break down and kill bacteria at the molecular level. Trust the mini sterilizer to help keep your baby safe and healthy in seconds.
Yellow Jacket products are designed for a lifetime of rugged, reliable performance. The complete line of Yellow Jacket products includes heavy-duty cords, power strips, adapters, and GFCIs. Yellow Jacket's heavy-duty cords are always high-visibility yellow and are made with a special compound to help them keep their flexibility, all while standing up to heavy-duty applications and rugged environments. Yellow Jacket cords also hold up better and stay more flexible in cold environments compared to standard extension cords. These cords include power light power indicators that let you know when power is on. Yellow Jacket power strips and power blocks are set apart from others with superior quality and features with metal housings for more industrial environments and applications. These power strips are perfect for the garage, workshop, or job site. The special materials and metal housings will keep them in top shape regardless of the wear and tear they are put through. These products are UL listed. Yellow Jacket ground fault circuit interrupters include test and reset buttons. Among the most reliable GFCIs in the market, ours feature safe start protection from unwanted tool restarts. These GFCIs come in 15 to 20 amps and are rugged and heavy duty.